Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today we're going to be talking about the Microsoft Surface Duo's battery. Now I've taken plenty of screenshots along the way. I've been using this device for 5 days straight and the battery life is absolutely fantastic. I'm getting above 6 hours of screen on time on every charge and it's lasting more than a full day. So I have a group that I currently run, and it's just a group for smartphones and just different tech conversation. But some people in the group actually have the Duo. Now, I'm curious about the battery life from each individual user because my battery life is actually fantastic. So we'll go ahead and go into my screenshots, and I'll probably end up having to post these on the screen. But here's my latest screenshot before I just put it on the charger and took it off. I had 26 hours, 6 hours and 39 minutes with 10% left. And then I was at 25, then 5 almost. There's just a bunch of different screenshots that I've taken. But ultimately, this battery life on this thing is absolutely great. And I can only imagine how much better it could possibly be with updates from Microsoft when it comes to the software. I'm genuinely wanting to wait this out and not throw in the towel on this device when it comes to the software updates. This is a device that I knew getting into that I would definitely have to wait. After that first initial, I was like, man, this is going to be kind of a hard one to swallow. But fact is, it is. So if you have the Surface Duo, and you're thinking about your battery life, this is possibly what you could get. Now, if you're wondering how I achieved this battery life, my brightness is set to auto, and right now it just adjusts on its own depending on where the screen is. If it's got too much light or not enough light, and I have it set to auto. Let's go to brightness, and you can see that it's, well, where's my thing at? Oh shoot, here we go, adaptive brightness, right there. So you can see it's set to adaptive brightness, and that's pretty much it. I have everything syncing, and I got that battery life also with partial Wi-Fi, about 60%, 65%, 70% Wi-Fi, and then another 30% LTE. That's pretty much what I've been doing. So this device, and this is a scan by SophieGuard. Hit the link in the description to grab yours. I think there's plenty that you can get, but I just like the honeycomb, and then I added the Microsoft logo in all the colors there to make it official. So the Microsoft Surface Duo, I'm using it to work my websites, and I have tons of emails, and I'm also using it for personal, like I do social media on it, but I run 2 websites from this device. As far as spreadsheets go, I use several different note applications, but the Microsoft applications, I'm kind of transitioning into using those. And I'm saying this because it's going to deal with the battery. Depending on what you're doing on the device for battery, that's going to determine whether or not you end up getting good battery. It also depends on what apps you have on your device. So keep that in mind when it comes down to what kind of battery life you'll get on your Surface Duo. If you have the Surface Duo, please sound off in the comments. I would love to hear what kind of battery you got out of this thing, because there is someone in my group, like I said, and they're not getting good battery. Let me see if I can pull up his screenshot. Well, nonetheless, he's not getting good battery. He's getting really poor battery, actually. Let me see here. Hold on. Let me see if I can just find it here. All right, here we go. Let's go to media. And let's go to, here's his screenshot. He got 7 hours and then 16% left, and then he got 2 hours and 56 minutes. And I don't understand, and this is mine, mine is, no, I think this is his still. No, that's his. Here's mine, what I loaded in there. Obviously I'm getting way better battery than he is. He's getting some very poor battery, but he's not using dark mode either, so as you can see. So he's going to switch it to dark mode after he kills this battery, he said, and then he's going to go ahead and test it out that way. So, okay, come on. So we will see you guys in the next video. I'm really excited about the Surface Duo. I think this thing is just great, man. It is something that, man, it's just been a surprise to me. I'm surprised actually how good the battery is. I'm not gonna front, but you know, we'll see how this turns out later on. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you later. Leave your comments down below on what your battery is like. Take care.